We are all representatives of the American people. We all do town hall meetings. We all talk to our constituents. And I've got to tell you, the American people are engaged.
The middle class is disappearing right now. During this time of prosperity, the top 1% was steady about 10% of the total annual income. Yet today we are fighting to not let the tax breaks for the wealthy expire. We have to lower spending, but it's a matter of there's nothing wrong with taxing the top because it does not trickle down.
We do tax the top.
That's right. Why we have to raise taxes on the rich and raise taxes on the corporations.
Take the tax cuts that were given to the wealthy 2% and put it into Medicare.
I agree with her. And you know what? Why doesn't tell me to sit down?
Do not renew the Bush tax credit for the wealthy.
You do not vote for Paul Ryan's bill. While that is to abolish Medicare and give people some money, it will not be the Medicare that we know.
They're asking the elderly to take on the insurance companies when we can't take on the insurance companies.
You vote to eliminate Medicare as it is today.
No.
You voted yes.
You want to take a publicly administered program such as Medicare and turn it over to a private corporation. Tell me how my grandma's going to benefit from that.
Yeah, no, it's a fair question.
Not one senior citizen is harmed by this budget.
What? You're a liar!
You seem to think that because I'm not affected, I won't care if my niece, my grandson, my child is affected. I do care.
I'm not really in favor of raising taxes because to me, we need to get people back to work, and the more we start taxing people.
That's not true.
Our taxes are higher right now because there are people in our country that are not paying their taxes because they're illegal. And that's got to be addressed.
Like GE.
Tax corporations and overseas profits and bring the jobs home.
The trickle-down theory, we tried before, it doesn't work because the upper 1% don't hire and they're not trickling the money down. We tried that.
That's the rich.
Before Medicare was established, seniors couldn't buy health insurance for any price because they needed Medicare and insurers didn't want to touch them.
I've been paying since my 16th birthday when I first started working. And then I'm under 55, so of course I'll be cut.
We certainly don't want to screw up Medicare because there's a lot of people in the field that really want it are coming towards it.
And the ones way up top are making more money than they made even in the good times.
We may have wanted a surgical cut here and there. We didn't want to butcher things.
We just feel like city ducks.
That's the reason you don't worry, you're not caring about the deficit. You wouldn't gave away all those tax cuts.
You're a congressman. Don't laugh at us.
Yeah, what was your
Medicare is something that there's been a consensus for decades that this is an important American institution, and to put it in the hands of the health insurance industry, who obviously only are concerned with their own profits, is unconscionable.
It's not that hard to find savings and cut programs on the backs of the poor, of the underprivileged, of those without lobbyist groups, and those without clout.
Let me tell you what. When you have your town hall, you can stand up and give your presentation.